Hi, I'm Jos Cedric T. Cecilio from Bachelor of Public Administration, Block 2. And for today's video, I'll share my reflection about voluntary sector management. Question 1. Why is voluntary sector management important in society? So first, why is voluntary management is important? So, it's important because volunteers help solve problems that the government and companies can't always fix alone. So kaya ang mga government and companies kinahanglan dili nila makaya nga sila lang dili nila makaya na kana magbayad og tao kay para magtabang para lang mag-volunteer. So lahi gid ang volunteers mga volunteers bitaw ana. So think about it. During typhoons, who's first to pack relief goods? Ang mga volunteers. During feeding programs in far communities, kinsay nag-initiate og kanang feeding program. Siyempre, ang mga volunteers. Ang mga volunteers gani, they don't work for money, no? They work because they care. That's powerful, no? Voluntary work also brings people together. Neighbors help neighbors. Students help kids read. That can build trust in our community. And here's the thing: without good management, volunteer work gets messy, no? People get confused. Time get wasted and volunteers quit. But with good management, even small groups can help hundreds of families. So bisan pag dapat nadyo ka ng proper nga good management sa voluntary management bitaw ana kay og kanang tayo kanang dagan na kayo nga volunteers na niya dili na mo makontrol. So sa mga tabo magkagubot na piliyon gid mo tong mga tao nga kanang nagid sila ang kanang pagtabang sa komunidad ba kung say kulang ano. So next question, what are the key concept that you have learned? Okay. Second question, what did I learn? I learned big rules. Rules about managing volunteers. First, purpose is fuel. People don't volunteer for a paycheck. They volunteer because they believe in the cause. So, as a leader, you have to keep reminding them why their work matters. So, ikaw nga leader. Ikaw team leader sa kanang may mga volunteer nga nabamay ka nang initiate nga event, then valid ang volunteer nga board. So ikaw nga leader, ikaw jud mag-remind sila nga ang ilang trabaho gyud importante kayo kanana bitaw. Second, respect their time. Volunteers have school. No, dili ang mga volunteers dili po na sila mga robot bitaw, mga napo na sila kagaling family, napo na sila mga part-time jobs, kay mga tao pa po na sila. So bisan pag mga tao na sila, mga nagi po na sila gibuhat, nipili pa po sila nga mag-volunteer para sa atong komunidad. Next, third, say thank you, no? This is huge. A simple good job for public shout out keeps volunteers motivated more than anything else. So ang simple nga thank you sa usa ka volunteer bitaw, sa ka volunteer makapatarog na sa siyang heart bitaw kanang makatouch bitaw na. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.